Gingerbread and Jelly Bean. Welcome back to another episode of JVLOGS. Now, today I want to say thanks to all the new subscribers that subscribe to the channel. Thanks to all the old Gingerbread and Jelly Bean that's been here. Welcome. So, this video is basically in response to the question, the video that I made previously. I'm asking my Gingerbread and Jelly Bean to give me topics that I can talk about, research and talk about. So basically, Haiti Gold, one of my subscribers, she asked, she said, glad to hear you're doing well. What's your opinion on plastic surgery? Whether it enhance what you already have or add to what you already have. So first and foremost, we have to basically do a little research on that, and I've done a little research on that. John Hopkins University, where they're well known for plastic surgery. So basically, plastic surgery is basically, let me give you the specific definition for the plastic surgery. So the purpose of reconstruction. Oh, I'm getting a phone call. Hold on. Sorry for that. So as I was saying, so basically the meaning of plastic surgery is the process of reconstruction or repairing parts of the body, especially by the transfer of tissues, either in treatment or injury or for cosmetic reasons. Now, the question that was asked by Haiti Gold, I think she was more referring to the cosmetic aspect of it, where it enhance or add to what you already have. And we can see this in today's day and age on social media. Sorry, we see Instagram models out here doing butt lifts, adding breasts, from artists to regular people, people that have the money that can do this. They're enhancing their body for just the aesthetic of it all, just to look good or to present themselves in a certain way. And most of these people, to me personally, I see them as fake. It's their choice what they want to do with their life, what they want to do with their body. But me personally, it's a turn off for me as a man. I'm not attracted to that. Yes, it does look good in certain aspects, but for me personally, what my heart desire and what I desire in a female, in a woman, I don't want her to add anything, any fake parts, any this, any that. I want her to be confident in herself and know that I love her for her natural body parts, how God made her and stuff like that. These enhancements can affect certain aspect of your life, how you have children. You see people doing putting silicone in their bottom and breasts and stuff like that, and you see where these things explode or mess up their bottom, or it shift and it look funny, it look lopsided. So some of these things look weird, especially when they haven't done properly. So for me personally, my opinion on it is that in the cosmetic aspect of it, I don't like it. It's not my cup of tea, but it's not for me to say to people that you cannot do it. However, I will say for kids, females that are on the internet, on Instagram, are looking up to these individuals who are getting the cosmetic surgery done, plastic surgery done. You shouldn't idolize these individuals and feel like you have to fit in with them, or you have to do plastic surgery for you to be attractive, for you to look good. God made us, the way we are. Not everybody's shaped good. Not everybody, come out, a certain way with big bottom or big breast. Some people have little breast and big bottom. Yin yang yang, there has to be balance. Not everybody is the same. We're not machines. We're not designed one way. We're all unique in our own ways. So yes, I don't think kids should look up to these individuals and feel like this is who I should be. Everybody's going to look the same. Everybody's going to look fake. Everybody's going to be in this materialistic kind of world. Everybody wants likes on social media. Everybody wants to be liked. Even where the filter is concerned, females, if they're taking a picture, they have to take a picture with filter. They have to take a picture, showing their breasts or their bottom to get likes and stuff like that. It's like nobody is natural, nobody is goofy anymore. People shun people who are goofy, saying that, oh, they're stupid and you understand what I'm saying? So for me, that aspect of it, I don't agree. However, the aspect of plastic surgery, that I fully support is basically reconstruction, as it's stated in the meaning. Reconstruction, where if my lip is cracked right now, God forbid, or this is split right now, I have to get plastic surgery to basically mend back my tissues, mend back my lip. If my arm is cut off, plastic surgery is now done at John Hopkins hospital, university, where you can literally get an arm implant and your arm start working again. So God forbid my arm is cut off and I have the money, I can get back my arm to be working, because you have tissue reconstruction and the nerves and everything, so I can have my full use of my hand again. So these technology nowadays are helping people to basically do plastic surgery, whether they have a tumor, whether they have cancer, whether they have, you know, a broken leg. You have to do plastic surgery to basically mend back these pieces together. So that was the purpose of plastic surgery, to basically to fix ailments, to do surgery to put you back together. During World War I, a lot of research was done, and after men coming back from war with gunshot wound to their face and stuff, they had to do plastic surgery to get the skin together to heal properly and stuff like that. So now the age of technology, everything has improved by tenfold, so people are getting better surgery done. The scars are not showing that much, so there's a lot of good in plastic surgery, and there's also the cosmetic aspect of it, which to me is probably the bad side of it, where it is overshadowed the good part of the plastic surgery, where people just feel like you have to enhance your body to be a specific type of way. You need to do plastic surgery, cosmetic surgery, to enhance your look, to be acceptable, to be accepted. You want to have flat tummy, so you're going to take out the fat out of your belly and look a certain type of way. But that's on them, that is for them to deal with. But you know, for the everyday people, use your money wisely. Go to the gym, exercise, you know, do your squats, run, stuff like that. Build your butt, your gluteus maximus, that's the muscle in your bottom. Once you build your gluteus maximus, it will get tighter and more firmer, and you get a molded shape. Check out track and field athletes and stuff like that. You see, they're all rounded, they're well rounded, because the muscle is built, the muscle is tight, the muscle is strengthened, so it get that form, it get that shape. Even their breast area is lift, because they do a lot of push up to build the muscles. So when you do push up, it actually lifts your chest area for men. So for the females, their boobs will get lift and get tighter and stronger. So those are the things you can do. So instead of wasting your time getting plastic surgery, go the natural way of exercising and working out and lifting weights and stuff like that, and you'll see how much better your body looks and feel, because you're getting that, you know, cardio, you're getting everything from the natural aspect. So plastic surgery don't necessarily mean that you're going to feel better as a person. So yeah, that's my view and that's my opinion on plastic surgery. So thank you very much, 80 Gold, for bringing up this topic, you know, asking me and stuff. I really appreciate it. See, I made the video. I say I'm going to make a video Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, putting out this video, so I'm going to just fix up the caption and stuff like that, add my thumbnail. So thanks for watching JVLOGS again, guys. I really appreciate it. Keep asking me the questions and I'll make video about it, share my opinion. So in the comment below, tell me how you feel about cosmetic surgery compared to plastic surgery, all of those stuff. Just leave that in the description down below and let us have a discussion. So thanks for watching again. JVLOGS, I'm out.